Well, hello everybody. About 1 week ago or so, I have started the construction of a radio offered during the communist era for the kids as a kit. It was a radio it was an AM radio with germanium transistors, which was called Electron M. Searching on that area, I found that there were a lot of other kits with radio constructions offered by the Soviet industry, and one of those is the one that I was trying today. It's called Zvezdocika, which means little star. It's built also with germanium transistors, and you have the schematics, the schematic on the image. As you can see, it's the front end of the receiver. It's quite similar with that of Electron M receiver. The detection is made here by voltage doubler, realized with the two diodes D1 and D2 that you can see in the center of the schematic, and the audio amplifier is also with germanium transistors. This time I tried to adapt the schematic and to use national produced germanium transistors by the IPRS Băneasa factory. It doesn't exist anymore, but it was producing semiconductors for Romania during the socialist age. And I still have some new old stock transistors from IPRS Băneasa. So that's why I tried to adapt by replacing the diodes and the transistors with Romanian transistors. So I will not call this radio Zvezdocika. I'm going to call it Steluța, which is the translation in Romanian for Zvezdocika. So this is the radio as it's been built today. As you can see in the right part of the image, you can have the entry circuit. You have it here with the two transistors from the front end that I was talking earlier. I don't know if you can see the type. It's an EFT 317. EFT 317 and EFT 319 were the transistors designed in Romania for RF amplification, for radio frequency amplification. So two of those transistors are used in the front end of this radio. You have the volume potentiometer, and here you have the four audio frequency transistors. They are all EFT transistors, EFT 373 and EFT 303, if I recall well. So that's the circuit. It's very simple. It's a very simple circuit, and as usual, I have an air variable capacitor and just a very simple speaker to be used with this radio. Let's see if it can pick any radio station. We're gonna turn it for a maximum audition, and let's try to pick some radio stations.
Pentru o reacție prin intermediul conducerii spitalului sibian, chirurgul a refuzat să comenteze acuzațiile care îi se aduc. Iulian Făgățân conduce compartimentul clinic de chirurgie orală și maxilofacială din cadrul Spitalului Clinic Județean de Urgență. Sibiu, 4.000 de reduște din cauciuc vor fi lansate pe apele Crișului repede. În iunie, evenimentul cunoscut sub numele de cursă de rățuște începe la ora 12 și promite distracție și invitare comunică. Evenimente pot adopta o rățușcă, fiecare figurină fiind numerotată pentru a putea concura în cursă. Primele 50
So there are a few broadcast stations that can be received with this radio.
Gutierrez a cerut încă o dată oprirea urgentă a ofensivei israeliene și intrarea nestingerită a ajutoarelor umanitare prin toate punctele de trecere în fâșia Gaza. Între timp, apărarea civilă palestiniană din Gaza a anunțat că o nouă lovitură israeliană Die Koalition diskutierte auch über die Senkung der Haushaltsausgaben durch Beschränkung auf das Notwendigste sowie über die Beibehaltung der Obergrenze für Handelszuschläge und deren Ausweitung.
So, three radio stations. They are local and national Romanian radio station, but I'm glad to see that the radio still works. The schematics is simple, so if you have kids, you can offer them a kit of steluța to be built as a present for their birthday, by example. Wish you all the best from Romania. 73.